Hi everyone, if you're using Windows 11, you've probably noticed that when you drag a window to the top of the screen, a Snap Layouts bar suddenly appears. It's meant to help with multitasking, but honestly, for many people, it just feels distracting or unnecessary. If you prefer a cleaner experience or you already use keyboard shortcuts, you can easily turn this feature off in just a few seconds. First, open Settings on your Windows 11 computer. Next, go to System. Next, open the Multitasking section. Then click on the Snap Windows setting to expand the options. Next, find the option that says Show Snap Layouts when I drag a window to the top of my screen. Then turn that option off. After that, the Snap Layouts bar will no longer appear when you drag windows to the top of your screen. Finally, if you want, you can also turn off the option that shows Snap Layouts when hovering over the Maximize button to completely disable the feature, but it's optional. That's it. Now your screen stays clean without that pop-up, while you can still use snapping in other ways if you need it.